one, let's talk about retail products. So what we have here, kit. What is it? 3 products. Intimate Skin Brightening. We have accelerating wash, gel, and moisturizer. The best seller. Every time we do bikini, every time we do anal, every time we do full bikini in the anal area, we sell this. This is like when you perform your service, this #1 you're gonna sell to your customer. Second one, gel. Yes, you can just sell the gel to your customer when we do intimate part, like a bikini, full bikini, or anal area. You can just go with this. But what's the difference between the kit and the gel? So this kit you will sell to someone who want to perform faster the result, because here you have accelerating wash. Gel working also, it will just take more time. So all depend on the customer. That's I explained in my online class. So you will see the customer budget. You will see if your customer wants just to see and see the difference, and then they can buy the accelerating wash, or sometimes they just want to take the kit. Next one is a roll-on for armpit. Amazing. This you don't have to wait to have some discoloration to start to use it. This is really, you can make prevention with that. So for sure after all service you will sell this one, and even if you just start to have some discoloration, you already can start to use it without even service. Next one, body meal. This is my favorite one. I will tell you why. Because first, size is really, for many we have 180 milliliters and 4 ohms. So it's a bigger format for all line where we can use it. All body part, I mean not intimate, all body part like inner thigh, elbow, knees. We can use an décolleté area. We can use all arms. And what's happened? It's make your skin uniform. It's like the girls are buying just to see the skin more uniform without any like fat, waves. You know, sometimes you can see it on legs, on arms. So it's a big seller. I love this product. You can ask me if we can use in the armpits or intimate. Not really, because it's too heavy for this area. So it's really for body. Other one, dark on the eye corrector. Amazing, but don't try to correct the big dark circles. This is amazing for someone who just start to have some discoloration on the eye, or someone who already did the treatments, let's say did the peeling on the eye, dark circle. That's for men. That's amazing too. And very special product. Look at how it's small, but very effective, and a base called lips and nipples. Yes, for lips and nipples. What is doing in lips and nipples? Sometimes, let's say on the lips, the customer have some little dark spot. So it's amazing. If you will catch in the beginning, it will suppress melanin slowly and make a prevention. For the nipples, for sure, you will not return like a pink nipples like before, I understand, but it will be more shade, more uniform, and very comfortable. So that's our line, retail product, and we have the starter kit. Look at this. So all this product, I'm just talking about it, you have a new starter kit. Some girls gonna tell me, oh Milada, I don't want to all this product, I just want to do, let's say armpits. I just want to roll on for armpits. Yes, but you never know when your customer gonna arrive to do the armpits, and they will see example for intimate area. Say, oh, I didn't know it's existing for intimate area. Or they will see the little progress for lips and nipples and say, oh, I didn't know it's existing. Yes, it's existing. So don't focus on only one area, because you never know what to expect, what your customer can ask you. And you know, trust me, your customer will not call you and say, oh, do you have some product for anal area? They will not do that. Some will, some not. They will not call you, oh, you have something for lips and nipples. No, but if you have this and you spa, you will be very surprised. That's what our retail product. Thank you.